Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Here I am learning to fly a drone. Well, not learning to fly per se, but I've been a professional drone engineer for about 2 years, closing in on, and I have actually never flown a drone by hand because the stuff I make is automated, and we had a dedicated test pilot at my previous job. So I've never really had to fly a drone. Here, I'm just doing some basic flight tests of this hardware, just onboard guidance, and you can see I'm trying to focus here. I take off the vehicle. It's hovering there, relatively stable for non-RTK. It's okay. Here, I'm lowering a little bit. I had lowered the throttle to 0. I didn't really keep in frame particularly well, but I was just kind of getting comfortable with throttle in the flight mode I was in on a Pixhawk Mini, Pixhawk 4 Mini, and it was okay. It was smoother than I imagined it was going to be, and I can definitely see why some people really don't like flying a Pixhawk drone. Again, most of what I do is automated, but I definitely need to learn in case I need to take over a drone at some point. So here I'm just getting comfortable with yawing, rolling left and right, pitching. Nothing too insane. I wasn't going very far on the sticks. Partly because I don't trust my radio. It doesn't play very nice with the Pixhawk at all. Ascending a little bit, trying to get back into frame. I like the pattern that the propellers are making, just due to like the shutter speed and everything. This drone is running a Pixhawk 4 Mini, some 3115 motors, and 1045 props. It's running off GPS alone, no RTK or flow or anything like that. Here I'm just trying to keep it hovered. It's relatively stable. Getting comfortable with a quicker ascent there with the throttle. Again, just getting a feel for things. If I need to take this thing over and just know what it feels like, even if 95% of the time I'm flying this particular drone, it's going to be automated. At this point, I was telling it to land. I don't have a particularly big battery, and I wanted to do a third flight test after this. Um, so I didn't want it to fall out of the sky, foreshadowing with that. And it's just lowering. It's coming in for a landing. And that was the first time I've ever actually flown a drone after being an engineer that makes drones, really high-end drones, for 2 years. Thanks for watching. I'll have some more videos soon. Come back again. Like, subscribe. You get the whole deal.